Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today you will learn the pink partial smoky eye. And first I am taking the pink color of eyeshadow with the help of smudging brush, applying it to the outer edges of the eye, and again taking the pink color, the lightest one, and with the help of blending brush blending the color. As you can see, in circular movement or inward direction. Now taking the big blending brush, blur out the crease lines. Giving more depthness to the color. Again taking the big blending brush, blur out the lines. Again taking the blending brush, blending the outer edges of the eye. Taking the darkest blue color, giving more depthness to the color. As you can see, now taking the blending brush, again taking the flat applicator brush and the pressed glitter eyeshadow in the color white or silver, applying it to the inner corner or over the eyelid. Now taking the Charm Walk Beautica metallic liquid glitter in the color pink, applying it to the inner corner and giving a very natural effect. As you can see, with the help of flat applicator, settling it down. blurring out the lines. Now the look after lashes, you can see. For under eye smudging, using the smudge brush and the same color, I have already done with the white kajal to the inner, to the lower lash line. Now smudging the under eye, as you can see. So moving on, next applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal, applying it to the lower lashes of the eye, completing the look. So here is the final look. You can use it for party occasion or bridal purpose too. So bye bye, take care. Till then, practice. We'll meet in next tutorial.